UFAD, Underfloor Air Distribution System. It is one of the HVAC solution which is available out there for us to use. Now, as the name suggests, underfloor air distribution, the supply air is actually distributed from the floor as you see in the animation. And return air is being collected from the top from the ceiling. This particular solution is highly effective if the floor to floor height is low and yet you want to achieve higher ventilation effectiveness and air distribution effectiveness. So let's look at some rules and regulation mentioned at the ASHRAE, which is relevant to UFAD system. As we go through the ASHRAE from chapter 4, we get some relevant discussion of UFAD system. Now, these are the important takeaway from the discussion. The first is that the supply air temperature should be between 60 to 65 degree Fahrenheit. So let's say if you're measuring temperature from the bottom here, the supply air temperature, it should be around 60 to 65 degree Fahrenheit. And if you use underfloor air distribution system, it is going to provide you improve air circulation. So the air circulation would be better and less stratification as well. And it is going to provide you a higher ventilation effectiveness. The cooling coil leveling temperature should be between 50 to 55 degree Fahrenheit typically. So for instance, if you're having a FCU unit here, the temperature of the air leaving from the FCU unit should be around 50 to 55 degree Fahrenheit. So that's all about UFAD system that you need to go through for CHD exam preparation. Now let's move forward with the VRF system and what we need to understand. From the discussion of VRF, we actually have gone through ASHRAE, the chapter 5 and chapter 18. We accumulated all the data relevant to VRF system.